Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up automatic payments on your Chase credit card. So let's get straight into the video. It's going to be a really quick one. It's a simple process. So first step is to sign into your Chase account. Now you can sign into your Chase account on the mobile app, or you can sign in on the website with your computer. So once you're signed into your account, you just want to click on credit cards, and then you want to select the credit card that you want to set up automatic payments for. And once you find that, just click on account services and then select automatic payments. Now you're going to enter the amount, enter the payment amount as well as the frequency, and then you want to confirm the automatic payment settings and submit their changes, and that's going to help you to set that up. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up automatic payments on your Chase credit card. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.